Hey guys, it's Chris. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of my personal natural hair hacks and tips. A lot of the tips that I'm going to be showing you are ways to like reuse and recycle some of your old products. I'm going to show you how to make some of your products last a little bit longer. And I'm also going to show you how to finally get that product that comes in a jar but really needs to have a pump into a container with a pump. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. The first tip that I can give you is save all of your jars, because there are a lot of different ways that you can reuse those jars. Like for instance, reuse your containers to store things like bobby pins, rubber bands, hair clips, things like that. That way they're always in one spot, because I don't know about you guys, but like rubber bands and bobby pins, I can never find them. But if I put them in this, I always know where they are and I don't have that problem. On with the theme of reusing containers for other things. So if you guys like to do DIY things, like, you know, Natural 85 will have us all out here whipping up shea butters and stuff like that. If you don't have a container, like if you don't want to go out and purchase like a glass container to put it in so it looks like neat or whatever, reuse your old containers. For instance, I haven't made the shea butter in a long time, but a friend of mine does, Yulitza, and I'll leave a link to her shea butters down below. She also makes dolls with natural hair. Shout out Healthy Roots, okay? Support a black business. All the links are down below. But anyway, the shea butter she sent me came in another container, but that container got smushed. Thankfully, I have like a bunch of empty jars, so I was able to salvage the rest of the shea butter and just keep it in this jar. So this next hack involves how to make your products last a little bit longer. So if you haven't been under a rock, you have heard of Allocate Naturals lemongrass leave-in. Now, while this product is awesome, I featured it in a Holy Grails video before. I still love this stuff. I still swear by it. Like, it truly is unlike any other liquid leave-in I have ever used. It's just like liquid gold, but that price. Okay, let's, you know. I found that by diluting some of my products, I'm able to make them last a little bit longer. So what I'll do is, if I have a new bottle, I'll dilute it with water. I'll put about equal parts water and equal parts product, and I find that it works just as well. I'm still getting the slip I want in the shower when I'm using this lemongrass leave-in, and it lasts twice as long. So my next tip or hack is to ditch the band. And no, this isn't an ad, no, this isn't sponsored, though I do have an affiliate link. I'm gonna be open and transparent, but it's about the puff cuff. So for those of you that don't know, the puff cuff is like a really awesome alternative to using rubber bands. They're sturdy and durable. They're built like this. It's got the combs on the inside, and basically you wrap it around your hair and hook it like this, and it stays in place and keeps your hair in place. But don't worry, I will link my video demoing the product down below so you can see more how to use it and how you can style your hair with it. And I discovered this product at the end of last year and I ordered one. I honestly used the jumbo, and this is the junior one. I can't find the jumbo right now. It's somewhere around here, I'm sorry. But I used the junior one like if my hair is stretched, and I use the jumbo if my hair is like in its natural state like this. Like if I wanted to do a puff, I would use the jumbo one if I could find it. But really and truly, I'm gonna insert two pictures over here. Like, you can tell a difference between using a rubber band and using the puff cuff. And if you want to order it online, I do have a discount code. You'll get 15% off. I'll have that link down below. But if you don't want to order it online, actually next month in November, you will be able to purchase the puff cuff in Sally Beauty Supply store. So that's kind of exciting. All right, here's the big one. Here's the big one that everybody has probably been waiting for. You know there's that product that you love and it comes in a jar, but you think it really needs to come in a container with a pump, okay? Kinky Curly Curling Custard was that thing for me. And so what I did is I used an old container from Camille Rose Naturals Curl Maker, and I got a plastic bag. I dumped the curl maker into the plastic bag, cut the tip off, and piped it into this container, and it actually works just as well. Now for gels, you want to be careful. Like, I knew it would work in this jar because a pretty thick gel was in this jar before, but I'd say give some of that a try with like Eco Styler or something like that if that's a gel that you like, or any product really. When I tell y'all how much this has changed my life, it's made doing my hair a lot easier. It's made doing my wash and goes in the shower so much easier, because like with the tub, I don't want to be dipping in there for gel. In the comments down below, please, if you have any other tips or hacks, share them down below. Let's get a conversation going. We can help each other. I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel as well. And as always, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye!